Welcome back, and I'm back with a new video today. And guess what? Texas has officially defrosted, so we're back to our regular lives, and I'm back with a video. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to get this look that I have on my head. Basically, this was my first time ever approaching a quick weave, half up, half down, and I got inspired by the model Leslie Sidora, which I am so obsessed with right now. I know that just sounds so crazy. So my original camera just died on me, and I don't have time to charge it right now, like, because your sister's on a schedule. So like I said before it cut off, this is on a budget and it saves money. Actually, I got the extension from my beauty supply store, and I want to say it was $18 a package. I bought two, and this is what it gave me. And excuse that patch, like, it will be gone. No further ado, let's get on to the video, and you'll see how I got this half up, half down look. Part the way I have it right here, have it like close to my ears because I really don't want like a big ponytail. I have two pigtails in the back just to keep it simple, because that's where my wig cap is gonna go, and it don't have to be a special wig cap. It just have to be, you know, just a regular wig cap that you get from the beauty supply store. So I'm just gonna put it on right now. This is my first time approaching this. I didn't even know you can do this like this. My got to be, it works! So at first it wasn't working. Now it's working. I was so afraid because my got to be glue is like a clutch for me. Like, I'm not gonna go as far as Gorilla Glue because that girl was like, whoa, like whew. So yeah, I'm so happy it worked because I was dead as gonna like lose my mind. So I'm gonna just spray it all over just so it could stay and stick. Hair dryer to dry the glue. Cap on. Now honestly, I just want to like add a little, which I don't think I have to. Like, I've seen a lot of people do it, like add a little chalk line, but I'm just gonna do it just for sake. Kind of, but this not even chalk. This is concealer. So this is kind of like where I want it to stop, which is kind of near the band anyways, but I'm just doing it so I can say I did something. This is basically like protective hair shield, protecting shield from my glue. Or should I have a mirror? I don't know if I do. One more appliance and I am not gonna put no more. Bundles for my hair. I didn't really spend a lot because I wanted to keep it like very budget friendly, just because I'm going to keep it in for a little bit of time, but I'm going to definitely make it look very natural. And it's just come in these little packets right here. You see it. I'm going to start at the bottom. Basically start here. Yep, it's always a sale. So, and oh my god, the smell of hair glue is always like the most weirdest like smell ever. So when I start gluing, Yo, so I am back. Mama? I said I was going to be back. Mama? Halfway there. Mama? I'm actually a third there, so I'm almost finished. So I'm just gonna finish up that part, and then I will be back to start up on the ponytail. Like I said when I was not recording, that I was gonna chop some of this off because I'm not trying to go for a cute look. I'm not trying to go for a long look. That's what I get for clapping. Like when I clap, I get like so excited. Like I think it's a girl thing. But alright, I will be back. So I have this little piece here. Mama? Mama? Yes. Mama? So, I just finished feeding my kids dinner, and I'm gonna try to attempt to finish this. So, I don't know, I just feel like when it is curly and I try to comb it into a slick ponytail, I'm gonna see like waves, and I really don't want to see waves. I don't know, we'll see how that works. This gel right here, it smells like strawberry, but I honestly got it just because I like the edge control. Let's get started. Hair on my face. Now I'm just going to be brushing my hair into a slick ponytail, and after I get it nice and slicked down, I'm just going to get it ready for a plait, so I can wrap my hair around it, or wrap the hair extensions around it. The story behind this is that I seen Leslie Sidora with this look, and it's not 100% the look that I saw, but it's the curls, it's the styling, and a girl had to do it just because, like I said, I'm obsessed with her. So my old friend from Georgia, I had to text her because she's like the best of the best in Georgia when it comes to hairstyling. She used to do my hair in middle school and high school. I think, yeah, high school she did my graduating hairstyle. And my hair when I graduated, she always hooked up a sister, always. So I said, hey, such and such, how can I achieve this look? And she told me other methods, which was quick weave, crochet, and a wig. And I don't want to purchase a wig right now, so it was either between crochet and quick weave. So crochet I did with the braids, and I just didn't wasn't in the mood for that. And I just said, hey, we can do a quick weave, which was just gluing hair extensions on a cap. And I've been doing that like kind of my whole life growing up. So yeah, I just stuck with that. And as you see, when I'm wrapping this hair around my plait, I just felt like it was so slinky, like, I don't know. So I'm wrapping it as tight as I can, and I'm adding the glue to like the threads just so I can add another piece. So I'm not putting the glue contact on my hair. So yeah, so after all that's said and done, I did it, and it just felt like a big old slink in my head. So if anyone know what I did wrong, please tell me in the comments below. But I did switch out and wind up just doing old school and just wrapping it around regular. So all this was literally a waste of time. And you're gonna see it right here. Like, I just didn't like it. I don't know. It just didn't fit right with me. Felt like I was like, I don't know. It just felt so sloppy. So like I said, I just went to do the old school wrapping the ponytail around your ponytail, which is basically just taking hair extensions and just rapid oh my god, what's going on, around the ponytail that you already have. And then all I did was take that little piece and wrapped the hair and wrap it around just to give it that clean knot look. So I'm making definitely making the hair fuller by brushing it out. what I did was just pin down my braid like inside my cap, just because it kept puffing up and I kept seeing like gold. And yeah, so I fluffed it up by just teasing it with like a brush, and this is how it came out.
Don't worry, I will be taking that pink clip out.
Not what I wanted, because you're never gonna get 100% what you want, but it is almost like it, and I'm ready to go and straight. It's time for me to go to sleep, guys. I'm so tired. It's like 10 o'clock, and I still gotta sweep up the floors and clean up this mess that I made. So, no further ado, I'll see you next time. Bye. See you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.